Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, you learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of the rational numbers. And I also explained all the examples on page 65 and 66 up to here. Today, we will solve the word problems of this exercise 3D. So, we are going to start exercise 3D. First question. Two persons A and B plan to reach a point on the beach. They started from the same point but took two different routes PCQ and PDQ respectively as shown in the picture. Find the distance travelled by each person and find who has travelled more distance. See the picture. Now come to here. This is the picture. There are two persons A and B. They started from the same point P and they have to reach point Q. But they took different routes. Person A goes through this route PCQ and person B goes through this route PDQ. So, find the distance travelled by each person. Suppose person A follows the route PCQ. This is PCQ. Therefore, the distance travelled by A. It will be addition of this route PC plus CQ. PC plus CQ. Distance of PC is 7 upon 9 km and distance of CQ is 1 upon 3 km. So, we will add these two distances 7 upon 9 plus 1 upon 3. First, we will find LCM of 9 and 3. LCM of 9 and 3 will be 9. Now, you are familiar with the LCM very well. Now, we will divide this LCM 9 by this 9. 9 1 ja 9. Then 1 multiply by this 7. Plus, we will divide this 9 by this 3. 3 3 ja 9. Quotient is 3. Then 3 multiply by 1. 7 1 ja 7 plus 3 1 ja 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 upon 9 km. This is an improper fraction. We will divide this 10 by this 9. So, we will get 1 as a whole number. 1 is to 1 upon 9 km. Now, do not write this suppose here and here also. Now, person B follows the route PDQ. This is route PDQ. So, what is the distance travelled by person B? This 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. Therefore, the distance travelled by B is equal PD plus DQ. PD is 3 upon 4 km plus DQ is 1 upon 5 km. Again, first we will find LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. Now divide this 20 by this 4. 4 5 ja 20. So 5 multiply by this 3 plus 5 4 ja 20. 4 multiply by this 1. 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 1 ja 4 upon 20. 15 plus 4 19 upon 20 km. So this is the distance travelled by each person. Now find who has travelled more distance. Now we will compare these two distances. We check which fraction is greater between these two. First fraction is 10 upon 9 and second is 19 upon 20. By cross multiplication, see 20 10 ja 200, 19 9 ja 171. It means person A travelled more distance. Now come to question number 2. See question number 2 in the book. If the temperature of two cold climate places P and Q are 98 upon 5 degree and 82 upon 7 degree, then which place is colder and by how much? See here. Temperature of place P is equal 98 upon 5 degree. Temperature of place Q is equal 82 upon 7 degree. First we will check which fraction is smaller, because we are asked to find which place is greater. So first we will find which fraction is smaller. 98 upon 5, 82 upon 7. Again by cross multiplication, this 98 multiply this 7, it is 686. This 82 multiply this 5, it is 410. Like this, we write 410 here and this 686 here by cross multiplication. If we compare these two numbers, we see 410 is smaller. It means here 82 upon 7 degree is smaller one than 98 upon 5 degree. So place Q is colder than place P by. Now we will subtract these two rational number. 98 upon 5 minus 82 upon 7 degree. Again we will find LCM of 5 and 7. It is 35. 5 7 ja 35. Then 98 multiply 7 minus 7 5 ja 35. 82 multiply by 5. Then 98 multiply 7, it is 686 minus 82 multiply 5, it is 410 upon this 35. Now 6886 minus 410, it is equal to 276 upon 35. Now it is again an improper fraction. So we will divide this 276 by 35. 35 7 ja 245. 31 is remainder. So it is 7:31 upon 35 degree. It means Q is colder. Place Q is colder than place P by 7:31 upon 35 degree.